amote hoftvovo broke herverist afterbein in volfet in crash with Prince Philip on Tuesday has revealed to Duke of Edinburgh has yet to apologize to her. Emma Feuerwerter, 45, Wasserpasänger in Tekia in Volfet in T-Kollision and describeto she couldn't stop screaming during T-Kollision near T Sandringham Estate in Norfolk. She added that she is lucky to be alive and is unhappy with TV Buckingham Palace has handled the accident. Hermes Feuerwerter claims she has heard nothing from the Palace, despite officials previously saying that contact had been made. Tekia was driven by a 28-year-old woman, was 9-month-old baby was also in Teka. Hermes Feuerwerter has been left feeling overwhelmed by the expense of the crash, especially as it involved the Duke of Edinburgh. Speaking in the mirror, she described the crash happening in slow motion and says she couldn't stop screaming. She said, "We love the royals but have been ignored and rejected and in a lot of pain." We told me Auntie World to me if Prince Philip said sorry but he have no idea if he's sorry at all. What would it have taken for him and the Queen to send me a cat and a bunch of flowers? Prince Philip Meanwille was pictured driving a new Land Rover just 48 hours after his dramatic crash. Images publicity on Saturday appeared to show him wearing dark glasses with no seatbelt as he was back behind the wheel of a New Freeland and the Queen's Sandringham estate. Buckingham Palace did not immediately comment on the images. Police have spoken to the Duke of Edinburgh after the photos emerged. A Norfolk Constabulary spokesman said the photo was aware of the photographs and that suitable words of advice have been given to the driver. This is in line with our standard response when being made aware of such images showing this type of offense. According to the Telegraph, Hermes Feuerwerter's friends have claimed that her and the 28-year-old female Kia driver had been advised by police not to talk about the collision. The Duke of Edinburgh reportedly said in Sucherfall after being pulled from his vehicle Freeland on Tuesday after it flipped on its side following a collision with a Kia close to Sandringham. The two women inside the Kia were hurt in the collision but the 9-month-old baby boy was unharmed, police said. On Friday, the Queen's transport manager Alex Gatti was seen at Sandringham as a New Freeland was delivered to the royal residence. Palazzo Spokes Human Seiton Frieditat Prince Philipp Hatex Changet Welvisches Witten Jurit Woman and Apparet to have no lasting problems following the collision. Source Seiton T Samedei. Te Duces Routine in Te Coming Daus will continue as normal. Retireten HS Walker Victoria Warner Tolte Sanche Spucke Tote Duke as Sheloket after ten Juret Occupants of Tekia. T72-Year-Old from Norfolk seit. T-Passenger from Toyota told me, we always wanted to meet a royal but not his way. She said Duke was fun to have no injuries of concern after his check-up on Friday morning as Kate Apo will fare of the plane Wolfit in the crash. We told him the baby was fine but we took the passenger had broken her arm, she said. He located so worried and told me, im Suchervollpunkt Norfolk Polizei seit 2 Women T28-Year-Old Kia Driver wo so verriet kurz to Hackney anta 45-Year-Old Passenger wo broke Arrest wäre Triateta te Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Kings Lynn tat da anti-Shaget. Te Forza is currently investigating the crash, anti-Zeitani appropriate action will be taken if necessary. Nick Freeman, te la viaduc te mellofole, seit te duke kult be prosecuted for driving without due care and attention if he was deemed to have made a mistake. But he added, if the sun was solo and rigged in UIS, so mit him it's impossible to see, and that may well have been the case, and that would afford him a defense. T Duke, wo retired from public duties in 2017 but remains active, could also avoid prosecution by surrendering his license, according to the law known for representing celebrity clients like David Beckham. Norfolk Constabulary seit in a statement on Friday. As is Standardprozedur with injury collisions, the incident will be investigated and any appropriate action taken. We are aware of the public interest in this case, however, as with any other investigation it would be inappropriate to speculate on the causes of the collision until an investigation is carried out. Es warnes 75-Year-Old husband, Robbie, helped the stricken Duke out of his car. He told his aunt Philip, wo was left very shocked by the accident, as Katie Pfeffer über die was all rigged and was overheard telling police he had been that's led by the son. Prince Philip was examined at hospital on doctor's advice, but had check-up found no injuries of concern, a Palazzo Spokes Human has said. The crash happened as Philips Freelander Politautophase der Roaton Power Stretch of the 149 which was a market by the local authority for possible safety measures. Teduque aperito be traveling di tutta Police Protection Officer. Individuals voguat als senior members of the Royal Family venat public and private events. Meeting, coincidentally scheduled for Friday, Norfolk County Council approved plans to lower the speed limit from 60 Meilen pro Stunde to 50 Meilen pro Stunde, backed by speed cameras.